What's up guys, Earl here with Good Tech, and when it comes to budget-friendly smartphones, Infinix has been one of the brands that comes to our minds. And recently, Infinix released yet another device, the Infinix Hot 10S, which comes equipped with a 6.58 inches IPS LCD panel, triple camera setup, and a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, and a massive 6000 mAh battery. But before we dig deeper, let's go ahead and unbox it first. Opening up the box, we are greeted with the unit itself. Underneath that is a power brick, a micro USB cable, SIM ejector tool, and a welcome message from X Club, a clear hard case, and a screen protector. Now checking out the unit itself, at the back we have the diamond pattern, which looks very youthful with its glossy finish. Also at the back we'll find the triple camera module and its rear mounted fingerprint scanner. The unit we have is in the Morandi cream colorway, but it is also available in black, purple, and Heart of Ocean. Situated on the left is the dual nano SIM card tray with a dedicated micro SD card slot, volume rockers, and power buttons on the right, which is placed in the middle of the frame, making it very easy to reach, especially when you have small hands. Nothing can be found at the top, while situated at the bottom are its 3.5mm audio jack, primary microphone, micro USB port, and a loudspeaker. Up front we have a sizable 6.82 inches HD Plus ultra smooth display with 90Hz refresh rate and has a resolution of 1640 by 720 and has a 263 ppi. The display is decent, it's got punchy colors, but it wasn't that sharp since it only have 720p display resolution. And using it in broad daylight might be an issue to some, but at least we have 90Hz refresh rate on the side. Now for cameras, we got a triple camera setup consisting of a 48MP main shooter, 2MP depth, and an AI camera. For selfies, we got an 8MP wide camera. We'll put these cameras to the test in our full review, so stay tuned for that. Now powering the Infinix Hot 10S is a MediaTek Helio G85 processor coupled with a Mali G52 GPU, up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. We tried to run some games and do multitasking, and so far everything runs smoothly. The Infinix Hot 10S comes with a huge 6000 mAh battery with no fast charging support. For software, it runs on Android 11 skin with XOS 7.6. Now to conclude this video, Infinix has never failed to provide its consumers with a bang for your buck smartphones, and the Infinix Hot 10S is no exception. If you want to know more about this device, stay tuned for our full review. So what do you guys think about the Infinix Hot 10S? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Aurel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.